Today we're going through a quick unboxing and setup of my new Diivoo Smart Water Timer. Stay tuned. Now for those of you who want to skip ahead to the setup process or anything else, I have the timestamps below so you can have more of your time back if you want it. Well, I've been using this Orbit timer for a couple years now. There's nothing wrong with it. I've enjoyed using it. The problem is I'm often at work or away and I cannot change my watering schedule when I'm away. I have to physically come outside early in the morning to set the dials. I have to set the time, and set when it starts and how long it waters for. It's just getting to be more of a hassle than it needs to be. Okay, so out of the box we have the instructions that it came with. We have the main hub that connects to your house, and we also have the Wi-Fi hub that you plug inside your house. Now, it is important to know that you will need a router and Wi-Fi access for this to work. Keep that in mind. Alright, looks like step one, we gotta put 4 AA batteries in the unit. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to scan the QR code to connect to the HomeGuard app, register on the app. Alright, next we have our Wi-Fi hub plugged in. This is to hold down the button for about 5 seconds until the blue light flashes. There we go. Alright, and then after you pair your Wi-Fi router to the hub inside your house, all you gotta do is come outside and again have batteries in the outside system. Push this red button right here and it will pair itself to your phone and to the system. For me, it was a very easy setup. Alright, next let's hook it up to the house and see how it works. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the included Teflon tape and I'm going to wrap it around in a clockwise direction. Alright, you can see I got it installed right now, and now we're going to turn on the water and check for leaks. Alright, no leaks, looking good so far. One of the features I do like about this system is the easy way to turn on and off your water without having to adjust how long the water comes out for, like I did on my Orbit timer. Just gotta push this button here, push it, and the water comes out, push it again, water stops. Very easy feature for my kids to use the hose and not as complicated. You'll see as you open up the app here that the first thing you want to look at is it online. Then you want to select the device that you just installed. There's different plans to choose from. You can choose multiple plans. My favorite part is the misting cycle that you can choose to water your lawn in intervals if you're trying to plant new grass seed or if you're trying to keep it cool in the hot sun during the summertime. The rain delay feature is also nice if you need to pause your schedule if you see rain coming up in the forecast. Alright, I'll have a link in the description of this water timer if you want to take a look. If you guys have used something like this, please let me know in the comments of what you think of it. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one.